In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, just open list of all apps, now locate and go to settings, and here click on wallpaper. And as you can see here, you can choose one from the following options. So you can choose either My Wallpapers album, Gallery, or Wallpaper Services. So if you click on Wallpaper Services, you will be able to choose Dynamic Lock Screen, Samsung Global Goals, or none of them. Currently I do have the Global Goals, and it's right here on my lock screen. And if I would like to change it, let me pick, for example, My Wallpapers album, and here you can pick the wallpaper that you would like to activate, that you would like to apply. Maybe this with blue accents, and let me apply it to home screen only. This is how it will look like. Tap on Set on Home Screen, and that's it. And then we can choose, for example, this one to lock screen. Tap on Set on Lock Screen, and from now on, as you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering home screen, and also lock screen is covered with this new picture. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.